Hi! Today we're making some more banana bread and I'm going to be adding some extra new tips for you. I am finally back after a really long break. Start with a teaspoon of baking soda and then add some flour. I always get questions on whether you can make this with oats, and yes you can, but just keep in mind that oats will absorb less liquid. Add in some salt as well. Next, add in 1 medium avocado. Avocado is our substitute for butter, which makes this recipe super healthy and low calorie. And then mash that avocado nicely together, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Add in 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Of course, you can add in more if you'd like, but I find that 2 teaspoons of sugar is a perfect balance. Mix that well together and then add 3 medium bananas. I always had a question on why your banana bread is so soggy and wet, and the reason is because you have too much moisture inside and too many fruits, so it's actually best to only use 3 rather than 4 or 5 bananas. Add your bananas into your avocado mixture and mix that all together. Again, make sure you're not adding in too much liquid ingredients and too much moisture, or else the inside will not cook and you'll get that wet inside. Add in 1 large egg and mix that well together. I'll fast forward here and then incorporate your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. This part got messy for me, so take your time. And of course, people always ask, can I add chocolate? Can I add nuts? Yes, of course you can. Go ahead. Add those chocolate, add those nuts. It'll add a nice textural contrast. Pay attention to my texture here. It is not too liquidy and it's not too dry. It's like the perfect consistency. It just falls off the fork. Flatten out the surface and then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 45 minutes to an hour. Let it cool for 10 minutes and then cut right into it and enjoy the moist but not wet and soggy banana bread. It is so delicious, so soft and fluffy. It has the perfect taste of banana and you can't even taste the avocado. Click here to see more videos and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time!